Hello, my name is Mwakwaba Edeba Big D TVGH. Aha, the channel to inspire. This is the analyst show. The show brought to you to analyze social issues trending on social media. Yeah, but I be pinsing nyoma a course on our tree social media so. I me the send so I come in one hour join me. I'm heading come. They be am catch say a Big D creativity studio and also my sene and my Jumede Bell on anointing groups of company. There were anointing mobile money and anointing fast food. So open the papa pie dia furniture anointing and so me and me Jumede no charm your friend na kwabra Joe Wesdo. Pen for mama kwaba.
Yeah.
You see a hot thing.
Oh, because center for.
So what shall me nifa so a abrante bia. Ye hu no so you so that. But what would you say?
A friend of champion Solomon na so don't me FIFA.
FIFA.
Yeah.
FIFA. Ye ban come so there. Open gas Big the Joe. Big the Joe. Big the Joe. Ya mwakwaba.
Oh, happy birthday.
Me da wasepa.
You are going to.
Na me krasa me ngoyo.
Yes, sir.
You must. First of all, me wipe you regulate.
Yeah.
Okay, na eba bedi nkomo. Ensem e trending na otwi mu. Na yenhwe, dedi kan. Abaya bi. Oni abrante atsena. Ama abrante na ma the promise ring. Na ring no de ma no. Ana be ma no dwane ye. 8 years ni be ma no nsa ma na chi. Still na kawanda so sha abaya no say o twen be me. Wojiri say e de panti na be ma oba atena se mfie nwotwe. Na kawa hye no. Wo hwa picture na e da de nani na ahomete. Ka wayi mia ne nsa ete. Still na wasi wonyi. E de panti na be ma oba atena ho ayesa de we. Big Joe.
Me never man. Asem na say wo kana me kenkan bi wa hana. Ya mi hu adwene me. Because e bia na be man no wo asem de bi o ka kire no. E ma o me nipa bi ase asem kituo bi tumi to mu tiri ma o he wo ye hwan ne ma me kro ntiri mu infinity.
Padlock.
Password. Come on.
E bia na be man kan asem de bi kire no. Se sa na wo pa kire. Waka bi akire ogeda.
Oh baby.
Na ogeda se jawda.
Number
Wano nyede. Solo.
Yeah, me.
Mami misa o. Se oni be ma na ana wo sa be ba bi hu so ba ne te wo twen wan ka de na obeye.
Me ni ogu sebi. No correct. Say the na me ni ai ken. Me starting from na me fan brand BC. They will be say.
But o mre shanti so start free o.
Okay. In short. Right now na kasa die. But me and I'm a buy and I'm sabbath to say oba me promise no me buy me who situation ring na bibia put dia dance say oba na ede na koma eda so ede makwa kwatwa me hu na masan aba me buy na oba na te wono no mesa for ban because ono na ebeboa no
On ebeboa
yeah
na say de mo kan de e chese ye odo de na manfo bi so kan say ejimi
that
sa
me jimi
Big Joe.
Ni Jimmy no dey. Because still.
Kawa na eti ni nsa no ana wo
kawa no te ne nsa o senior. Bia obi nim enkomo a omumienu ayede edi.
Bia obi nim nkomo a omumienu edi minu mienu ye ntimi predict. Yenkwa next issue so. Na enzemu ye kasi ye di akira. Ade be kye wa ha. Solo.
Yeah, me.
We so efa ye nyina ye ho. Oya Ghana ni me Ghana ni ye nyina ye Ghana for na ye hwa ensem bi ye koso Minister of Health ye kwada sore ya ye say wa test positive for coronavirus na minim say eno nko a ade chie na me say akwete say NHIS boss National National Health Insurance Scheme amoso boss ono nso so kwada ya kwa test positive for coronavirus omo ne sankofo we ya omo kire yen say ye sore ya ye nyare ye kata ya no ye use sanitizer na edi na omo no matimi ya affected omo an comply with protocols na na say
me akasa abom
pusa de osebo
abom pisa because mo na mo kuta nim die mpo yesi ache mo na ye de ze na na du nkwa we oni nyina yewu oh true du ni nkwa we oni nyina yewu adenja because wo minister of health nim say procedure bia no a we nkura necessary measurement bia wo mu take bia na mo di free above the my wo for say o mo say na mabontin kura na she nose mask nti wono me nyaso ase no she nose mask ana ana hand sanitizer on dey na asa ofi ana obi na chi ni kisi ni no nya bi ana minti ase
Soro say ana obi chi minister Kisi no. Ena wonya bi. Joe. Solo.
Minia.
Also say na hu asem no fa.
All right. Nya personal there. Me tell you no. Anyeme adefufuro biya. No asem bi ameka. Divine intervention. Yare Jinyame. What the offer about who buy offer sanitizer or you call offer sanitizer and yanshan and crema, the farm kumi. In Yamia, Ubinabia, Ubinia. Yariano, or say Jinyame. Unimbi. Who call Minister of Health fear. Minyasha so be who a mura like a fin rubbish. Yet a cray say, oh, still, ye Minister Enyabi. I can't be rich and I'm a boy.
Minia, when say like I thought baby I'm an because the coronavirus is not real in Ghana. Simply because every day and night the figure rises. Near free 800, near 2,005. From 1,005, 10,000. From 10,000, now Mama records.
Say recovery is number 10,000.
About 10,000.
Yeah, mistake. Authorities mistake. Recovery is name from the buy. My senior man be Mr. Pranchi Michiao. My Facebook page, all the actors say, oh, we have more church more details because Nadia,
me to mean church,
mistake and say, and can say they are already in your recovery is bare 5,000. They are Nyanam Ghana for. They say
na abeka Matu asepa
Sasna cases no
ba sana ne ye no
entino masa me hu say
me na bi wa ye sanse bonte fom na ne yam hye ne saa
my idea pa meti de obi he kana asepa meti mwase papa because he chirichiri mu na emu se ka say ye di enu ahia because Minister of Health enyabi
there
metia menyabi de bia metwa mo bora ho Minister of Health betwa mo bora ho a Jesus excavate ekoji nyame ne boafo ebefa ye na ye honorable Kennedy Japan wa wonim no nimfonyini na etwawu wo we de hweti afidie no ani no nimfonyini na etwagu no na one na akeka ya no akokeka dia na okoka ye o say Pastor Nigel Gezi oni emabi etwempena ebi celebrities ni ade na ne kasa yemu na okobo Tracy Boache from actress and a film producer and a restaurant CEO Tracy Boache owosika pa yina yini obo ni din na no se asa ene osu be hia me lawyer na dia na amaye be bobo hu say obi was a situation where you say or no be ADT ana osofu bi kra afana also be boni din publicly man you penny na atiana
sai shi we die unia mame ni kan kasa kakra na sai osofu na kasa oboni din no say friends in
Pastor Nigel Gezi
me won say wa share Lewin enkom bi say ni manager Ezak edna picture akwashe from ama makodi sasen kwa mazaka dibe so fi ni ho asamo air trend pa na em say Canada bi wa na say obey expose fake pastors so ni exposition no ni expose na akofa Tracy Boache nsu dia ede abam okay assembly for we
but do you know something ebia na sa asem na wo kan ekobo ni din no ebetimi akose bibia ma Tracy ana mu hu ne sa
minia they say no Mr. Kennedy honorable akasa free fake pastors obey expose you me am senior man obi ni they say no ho hyehyɛ no ama they say ohu de wonye ntimi no me hu ni say eye de me papa eye na
eye so obo girl ni din
na obo eye ne de e fa baby no wa gu na nimu ase won say adwuma no wo ye say everything dey wo friends outside Ghana ni nti esa wo bi na nimu ase bet fake pastors ne di ye nua ma no musika dodo nti ye nyobi no be sorry ne say o say afi obeboa ya ma sika na kakra ye de aba e ma ye botuma mo bi edidwa eye
solo Honorable Kennedy was a controversial person. Papa. Enti wujiri se Tracy aka so be hia ni lawyer yi. Obetimi no action. Ana se fa kwakosi sei.
me de bia me kama say me say me se passe a me ti ha die ono kana di on bo ano ho a ka the program na we ko wanye na ni fere ka so beto bo abo a and this is bizu e bi sisu a ne bi shedachi ni oya ya bete kwa it's a treasure say obesia no lawyers a ono
Honorable Kennedy ho sa na Big Joe Eka but ashofo the me say ubo obi din wo situation bi say mo no e betumi atanish ni image ana
that's ebi so na before so be trace ni
say trace wanwo ana onim enti enyina enim ne one na wo ye very good enti ubo ni dis say amo very good
unia obi ere net na before so ni kunu no one net no e be hia enti e maye say like Emmanuel Buchanan say we are bonya Tracy
KNUST Nanamo say the past is not the present.
The present is based on the past also.
No. At times you have to forget the past and concentrate.
If you forget the past, anything I'm a Ghana yanku yenim dan.
But you know
Okay. And hunu baby are free. Sana Big Joe. Eka. Ono for sure na ye danga. Etu ni bibi. You try and honey and ya boy from Karatomorati. Me say a big creativity studio now so you on the anointing group of companies. Omo in a das here no obetimi afa number no na o madi nkomo. Ne o pese omo ye ma obi ano. Omo they will be at your service. Your boy entertainment nim na entertainment no nsema anhye den sisa na emum de tie na no de pa. Ye gina ye te wonom na na no me da Shatawale Ghana pa kasa wura okwati na YouTube kwa baba na num sebi ekokeka ne nsem say Ghana hip life for ehia omo na omo chire omo pa omo say ni business mind munim kwa fa so ye business obobo din Stone money ade echeche kwa fa so a oni sami ni benya beef ni ade because na ni bre no nyina o kan na we na Abegu Santana ne anod ka chen say ni kwa so kasa all retract sa statement no o si no kre no waka nti won twen san ye kwada sore ya pa shatter movement president and am CEO o say o sika to akofa sika abobo ne body a snap o hwe video na da so na ye Shatawale no a wada ne pa so sika gu ne boso obi a won ti de o ka because ya makasa no emma Eti se ye nyina ehu video ya show yi. Mo se ne odi sika yi kire ne hofa. Ti ebi mo say Shatawale di sika no huru Reggie Rockstone. Eni omo maka. Ana se wono de wode na de kire keke. Sei na muhu adne sifa.
Yeah. Sata ya yi pa ba ku bi wo Ghana hanma o is too controversial. But you be funny say enye sia bi. You say interview say kaya yen tokwa wo hono kaya yen tokwa beteda ya be ende ya aba timi kan bebre senior shata
so was he using the money to flaunt them and now say
yeah scan it no di hu but we there ya Reggie Rockstone no wa bobra no wo soro wa fe na wo ba
Shatawale ka se mo say
Shatawale no
say ya bobra ma na se wo bedi a eno nche se wa bobra
unimba ade ba Shata osi mu acha papa na amane na amana anye de amedru ntem ntina me say senior man Shata nsem bi wo ba no ato bo why senior man
Shata enya nim se wabre sa na solo kan na sa na kan Big Joe nti ade we a Shata ye no say yampa se wo de huru omo a uhuni say consequences ben na beba etire
what there you for Saturday and 20 na me call almighty Sarkodie Sarkodie is one time big artist in Ghana Skabenu Dienu but GBT ni awards baby. But I want to start Kodia Kotam award ba kokra be na say me I'm an international artist so it no dead useless. When you am from ko be bia. Masa do I na yankwala asem ankwala na ye we scammers on kran kete move almost coming in the yankwala asem say. Scammers na ye scammers no muso scam mo plant no social media. No be on say so do I or man Roberts alert.
Yeah, I was even thinking of that one.
Maybe then who is who Reggie Rockstone. David already on time chance in Costa Fies Omedianini. You see, so maybe who like and Crown Roberts, Mr. Mosata, we invite. Why?
Juba just said, or not in the security, too, and science.
I at risk.
Yeah, because Shatta having such a huge money at home, and yet,
come a copy. And you're real money.
Well, we can't predict and we can't conclude.
Okay.
Shatawale is someone who is well wealthy.
Why didn't you were you? Where did the men cast when you were? Because one, I in the music industry, no, I am ambassadors in many brands. So now I'm an interview because of Money Phoenix. What? I am ambassador now, I know. Might be a bit yeah. Or commissions or many brands or a well-established person. But
and you can saw yes, I then.
Matured-minded person, you know about social media.
Shatawale, you are not matured.
Oh,
and then I'm kind Big Joe that kind. And then we show this eye the papa. Shut up, mama for wolf. Shut up, mama for wolf. Last story I did show you made this in. Aya baba we be a friend Queen Hazel. Wa woni mu no kapatapa movement no Queen Hazel. Honest say so to ni mo make kwabana maintain nyom da. What nyom da no?
Me say mo ma me hin say.
Wa woni mu no so ni fonyini na etwa gu no. So ho oba no no fopa ewurade nyame. Na ye ho no ma de ne si abaye ye da sorry ya yesi wa free. Ai yesi wa free. Na free mu na wa free mu no. On say obi a oye celebrity ana upcoming e free mu a presenters di achire na Kofi Adoma nwanwani odidi achire akodue mu na de okohu ye ne se Equineza onu wo hu ye na emom wakosie na minim se eye bibi fofora e ba Ghana na se ye dam de a enu ye tia se na se de be de entia se di ti na be mu obi akoka se mawu na manfo spread news na afi wa se pia ba se mimu na mikosie e de yin na be Big Joe e de yin na betimi am obi ayesa ni
my name is yes, because one, all of a sudden, me patapa movement minimum, but as a lady. Now, me okay, fine. Me Ghana man, I got to be me bore me because if someone want to gain social media attention, it does about wrong. And that's what I'm going to talk. That's wish. One of them they were for different dimensions. Ewo. Engineer
so.
Share, yeah, the word, I know I didn't need Mokui. And when I did me, no, I did shida.
Yeah, I know I didn't need Mokui, and one year did me one edition. So cool, who they are. So, of course, they are there.
But you
solo. And see, they get also Ojan Jose.
When I saw my meal, and room, yeah.
But yes,
Minia, I mean, Castle and Cherry Girl. Minimum, me, telling you, Nancy and Pa.
The manager crying when your papa no name.
Now, Mammy,
what they are
Togo, I think I will bag pencil. We are pencil, we are Madrid, Nebasa. And I think I will be Jesse or Madrid. Togo. They say, well, now is here you came out. And come here, come a Ghana, by say,
Ebi are not digging, Ebi are not digging any fame.
Any pebia from young raining to Nipebi or Ben, I didn't say, obey a side in Rollins.
Well, Rollins law, young kuno. We ended the last issue. Me no kasa afa on the analysis so. Na baby everything dey me say friend the gossip point oh. Say me boss kire wa na we jaw comment wa de na ase. Next week me ba na ma ken kind for the amount. The di kind e are hosem. E da sorry ya. Na na eje isikapa. Na me emfa o kransie. Peace FM. Yes one so aka nchene.
Do free na be.
Waka nchene egu. Oh, abra, aduane si so yem fa nchene ntum. Na me emfa wo kra ensie. De kan so mienu eya ni gisem. E na no ye honom ne yesesa akode yera wo America bema. Ose eboa. E na me no ka say ye Father's Day. And ya around 10 something. Sa akode abetwe say nyame adom no eba bema. A wo sha wo de ne papa a picture ene wo no ene ne ba. The picture and a two honor.
Crazy now we.
That's right. This is how they are Babema Akatiti home. Me say, somebody a fully and answer saying, I'll comment what I didn't say. After the last gossip, my mini congon's away. Mina made me congon some of the moon by Jim no many as Hey, you got us sorry, ya patapani, why poyo. Over the annuum ever one thing.
Watch out,
all my poyorians. And you didn't, my lady, or see, and check. And a Danny, no. anche kra yentie we na lewe hu ye no say patapa boy wipe yo epa kwasi asem kwa na mo beto ozo giri sen kwasi asem na mo beto a ja comment e wade na se me ka che say big dig activity studio any anointing groups of company and aso masen mam dig medi we bro me am dig medi bro on your friend Nana Kwabra Joesdo say op MC a friend ni eni nkomo follow me on my handles ni nyina so eni gu ase no omo amene omo dig medi ni enne the big Joe the comedian any pass Solomon a champion pass solo multimedia so here for nyina ono nso no share no ne nkomo order subscribe to your channel no say wonya anye ya na leave your comments na yenkenkan ma next week wati
and happy Father's Day
to you oh my crowd you be say share that